I will present to you grade 5000 by GRT. The system for this device is 3D ground scan system, discrimination system, pinpointer system, live scan system, and sound analyzer system. The depth for this device in vertical is 3000 meters and in horizontal it's 50 meters. This device has 2 years warranty. Now guys, I'm going to show you the parts and accessories and how to work with the grade 5000 device. First, I have to show you now. Here, we have the main unit. As you can see, it has also a button here. While you're scanning, you can push this button and you can turn this off and on. Armrest you have here, handle, and also the sensor you can remove and attach. And also you have also a mount for tablet. You can attach this if you want to put the tablet here. Okay. And now also with the tablet, so you can use it on 3D and all the system. And we have also the bag or the cover for the sensor. And you have a USB connector and this bag for safety for the device. Now guys, we're going to work for a grade 5000 device. Now I already turned on the tablet. Just choose a grade, gold detector. And then as you can see, you can choose any languages. Okay, English, France, Dutch, Espanol, or Arabic. I'll just choose English. And you have to choose grade 5000. Press next. Then USB. Again, you have 3D ground scan, discrimination, pinpointer, live scan, and sound analyzer. So that's the system of the device. First, we have to try the 3D imaging or 3D ground scan. Yes, you have to wait for the loading. And now we're going to turn it on. Now guys, we're going to do the scanning. As you can see, please show the screen. Okay. While you're moving or walking step by step, you have to push the button here in the device. There, as you can see, it can detect. Again. Okay, now we're done with the scanning. Okay, now guys, we're done scanning for the 3D imaging. Now, as you can see the image, the color is, for the color blue is just the space. Color green is the ground. And also, the color yellow is just the signal for the metal. And the color orange is the mixed metal. And also, sometimes, as you can see, there's a color red there. It's gold. And also, if you want to know the length and the width, you have to press this X plus, okay, from 0 to 60 centimeter. That is the width of your scan or the image. And also, for the length, you have to press this Y plus or Y minus. Here you can see from 0 to 300 centimeter. That is the length of your image. And also, if you want to see the depth, you have to press this on 3D. By the way, this in 2D. Now I will press 3D. So here you will know the depth or the deep. Here you will press Z plus or Z minus. Okay. Now we will try C minus. You will put it until the bottom of the image. As you can see, I keep on pressing. There, until the bottom. Okay, so that is the depth of your image or of your target. And also you can do the settings here. If you don't want to remove color red, green, or blue, just press it, close, and then it will remove the color red or the part of the color yellow. And now, if you want to put it back, press and remove the color green, means the soil. Okay, you can see only the yellow one or the red part color. Okay, and also if you don't want the space or the cavity, just remove it. Press this, close, and then it's there. The color blue is already removed. So that's how we work for the Grade 5000 device for 3D imaging. Okay, now guys, we're going to work for the discrimination system in Grade 5000 device. I will choose English, Grade 5000, and then next, just connect the device. Okay, and then I will choose discrimination. There, as you can see, you will hold this while scanning. Here, for example, I'm pressing it now. Okay. Now guys, as you can see, there is color yellow. It means signal for the metal, and also the orange is the mixed metal. And also guys, here, as you can see, there is a color green. Color green means ground, and also the color blue is the cavity or just a space. And also sometimes if you scan metal or gold, or it means a non-ferrous, it will be turned into color red. So you will see a color red there. That means that is a non-ferrous metal. Now guys, we're going to work for the pinpointer for the Grade 5000 device. I will press pinpointer. Okay, and then I will hold this button. As you can see, I will scan here. Okay. As you can see at the screen, there's some color yellow, means the signal for the metal. Orange is the mixed metal. Color green is the ground. Color blue is the cavity or space. And also, if a color red came out there at the image for the pinpointer, that means it's a non-ferrous metal. And now guys, we're going to work for the live scan system in Grade 5000 device. I'll choose live scan. Also, you have to press this, hold, while scanning. As you can see, okay, color green means ground. Also, yellow is the signal for metal. Okay. As you can see, there is a color orange, so it means it's a mixed metal. And the color blue is just the cavity or space. Okay, like this. And then also, when the color red came up here in the image, in the screen, it means that is a non-ferrous metal. Now guys, we're going to work for the sound analyzer system in Grade 5000 device. I will choose sound analyzer, as you can see here. Okay, that is a target ID. Okay, here it detects. Okay, it means there's a metal here. Also the target ID on the left, and then here you can see. So it means the target ID for that is a mixed metal. Okay, that's how we work for the sound analyzer system. Now guys, I'm done showing to you the parts and accessories and how to work with the Grade 5000 device. Please follow us in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube.